The course consists of 6 modules. You're going to be shown not only how to use a feature, but why you would want to in the first place, which is just as important. The first module shows you how to import and export information to and from project into other applications, primarily Excel. This allows you greater interactivity when working outside project. The second section shows you how to use the scheduling and calendar options available, which allow you greater flexibility and organization and provides you with more detail and accuracy. In the next section, you delve deeper into the information you can access and control about allocation of resources, which gives you greater visibility on task management and problem solving. This leads directly into the next module that deals with working on more than one project at the same time and being able to share a resource pool across the different projects without conflicts in things like scheduling and resource allocation. The next to last module shows you how you can customize Microsoft Project so that you can set up fields, tables, views, and filters according to your own requirements. The final section then looks at reports, both the ones already built in and the ones you are able to create and customize. This gives you a detailed, uncluttered view of everything you need.